And this video will be about an accident lawyer near you. This is a very basic topic and very important. Accident can be a life altering events, leaving victims with physical, emotional, and financial damages. If you have been involved in an accident, it's important to find an experienced and skilled lawyer who can help you navigate the legal system, get the compensation you deserve. Here are some steps you can take to find the right accident lawyer near you. Ask for referrals. One of the easiest way to find accident lawyer is to ask for referrals from family, friends, and coworkers who have been in a similar situation. They may be able to recommend a lawyer who has helped them in the past and can provide valuable insights into the legal process. Do you search? Once you have a list of potential lawyers, it is important to do your research. Click their website for information about their experience, which is very necessary, areas of practice, and credentials, read reviews and testimonials from past clients to get a sense of their track record and how they treat their clients. Check with your local bar association for information about any disciplinary action against the lawyer. Schedule consultation, on which time you can go there and meet that lawyer easily. After you have narrowed down your list to a few potential lawyers, schedule consultation with each one. During the consultation, you can discuss your case and ask questions about the lawyer experience, communication style, and strategy for handling your case. This will give you a sense whether the lawyer is a good fit for your needs. Ask about fees. It is important to understand the lawyer's fee structure before you hire them. Most accidental lawyers work on a contingency fees basis, which means they only get paid if you win your case. Ask about their fee and any additional costs that may be involved, such as court fees, expert witness fees. Choose the right lawyer. After you have met with several lawyers, choose the one who you feel most comfortable with and who has the experience and skill to handle your case. It is important to choose the lawyer who is responsive and easy to communicate with. Look for a lawyer who has a track record of success in similar case. I hope this video will be very helpful for all of you.